Hello, in this video we'll see how to download Kali Linux image. Okay, so before starting it, I just wanted to give you an overview that Kali Linux is used for cybersecurity purposes. Okay, hacking, and even the good and bad guys use the Kali Linux. So it basically have pre-installed tools which basically used to do penetration testing or security testing, whatever, in terms the technologies of cybersecurity. Okay, so it's completely based for cybersecurity peoples. So if you are a beginner and you want it to work, you can choose either Ubuntu or CentOS. Okay, so if you are specifically going into the cybersecurity field, so it's the best place to start is Kali. Okay, so here we have multiple types, where the common type is downloading ISO, where you will give A to Z specifications. Okay, so another thing is the pre-built image. So this is where the peoples nowadays are going for pre-built images, where everything has been already configured. The only thing you have to do is import into your VirtualBox, and we are going to do some kind of configurations. Okay, like giving storage, additional storage, giving RAMs and CPUs, processors, right? So we'll just see how everything's gonna be. So now go for Kali. Okay, so we'll see there is an official page, kali.org. Click on it and click on download. Okay, as I said already, so we have multiple types. So the common ones are installer images, virtual machines. So here you can either choose a virtual machines, which is pre-built VMs, or you can just go ahead with installer, where it is an ISO image. You can download it and give your configurations accordingly. Okay, so first we'll see how to download the installer. So you should have to be an installer and click on this download image. Okay, so it's gonna give you Kali Linux 2025.3 installer AMD64.ISO. Okay, so click on save, and it's getting on save. Okay, so Kali Linux 2025.3 installer is getting download. So according to your internet speed, it's going to getting download. So this is an ISO image. So what you can do instead of doing ISO, if you are a lazy guy just like me, what you can do is go ahead with the pre-built VMs. Okay, so here you should have to concentrate on whether you wanted to go for a VMware or VirtualBox. Okay, so if you're using a VMware, use it for it, you can download it over here. So if you're using VirtualBox, you have to download this, and if you are using Hyper-V, it's this, right? So I'm using VirtualBox, so I'm just going to this. Okay, so here we can see that we can save, and here it's getting downloaded. Okay, so let's wait for these two things to get downloaded. Okay, so this is how we basically download the ISO image or a pre-built VMs. Okay, so apart from that, we have ARM, mobile, cloud, containers, right, live, WSL. We have more, but we'll see that in our upcoming videos. Okay, so thank you for watching. See you in the next video.